previous lesson I have shown you the visuals. How can you change visuals, modify visuals, change timings, texture, uploads and resend. In this video I'll show you how you can add elements. Elements, there are three things: emojis, GIFs and stickers. Mostly these things make your video vibrant, and when you need this you can use this. First one is emojis. So if you want to give your video a smiley face, so you can click here and you can change the smiley face here, and you can click on here and you can make another face and move it here, and you can change it to copy to all scenes. So this smiley face in this position, it will be copied in each of the scenes. You can delete it, and you can copy this, copy, you have copied it and paste in different scene, or duplicate means here it will be duplicated directly and copy to all scenes. So I'm clicking here, I'm deleting this one. On the top part you can flip horizontally. You have to click here, flip horizontally, flip vertically. So horizontally, because its left and right side is same, so it's actually changing but we cannot see it. And you can flip it vertically and you can place it. So sometimes to save time, for example, if I want to place it on top right corner, then it will automatically go to there. So it is a grid, the 9 positions of the scene. If I want to use this one, so you can change the size as well, but you have to drag like this. So if you want to change the size of the emojis, try from the right side and drag to the corner. Again, drag from the right side, bottom right side, and you can change the size. Or from the bottom you can change it easily. From the left side you could not do it. You cannot change it from the top side and left side. This is how you can change the size. So how can we search for an emoji? For example, if you write love, then all the love emojis will appear. If you write MONEY, so all the money related thing will appear. If you write kiss, all the kiss emojis will come here. So this is all about emojis, GIF files. I'm deleting it. Click and delete, click and delete, delete button, or you can click on click here. So here I'm selecting happy birthday, so it's showing here. If you want to change it, you can change the size from here. Again, from left to right, it takes some time, and from bottom to top. Now it's working properly, and you can place it on the top, happy birthday. You can delete it like this. Okay, I'm deleting it. GIF files take some time to load, to interact. This is about the happy birthday. If you want to add another file like this one, cat, okay, you can just click here and drag it back and make it bigger. Probably this is the largest size of this one, so you can make it bigger. When you use it, be careful about the loading time. So this is how you can search from here. If you like cat, if you like thank you, you can add this one. And the third one is stickers. You can add stickers like this, hello. So hello will be added to your file. You can make it larger like this. So for interactive shorts or TikTok videos, you can use these things or this one. So this is how you can use emojis, GIF files and stickers. And if you want to delete this, just delete it here from, and also with the delete button and click and delete. You can also flip it horizontally. So you can see from left to right, it's just flipped. So here there is no upload option. You cannot upload anything from here. And that's all about elements. Thank you.